There are a lot of benefits of ice water, using ice water on your skin, like reducing puffiness on your skin and easing of acne and redness. So we're going to get ice and put it in a bowl of water, in a clean bowl of water, and then we'll dip our face in the bowl of water. We're going to dip it from between 10 seconds to 60 seconds interval, depending on how long you can stay in the water. So you're just going to be giving yourself breaks at interval, and you change the position of the ice, of the way your face stays in the water. If you don't want to do that, you can also take ice and wrap it around a thin cloth. I didn't do that here, but just rub it over your face and your eyes. And one thing you will notice immediately you use the ice water is that it tightens your pores automatically. It can also help to heal your chapped lips. There's a certain effect it gives on your lips, so you can also apply it on your lips. It also helps to, when you rub ice water on your skin, it helps to draw in products. Like if you use a product on your skin and then you apply ice on it, what it does is it draws in ingredient, because the capillaries will restrict and create a pulling effect to draw in the product that you applied on your skin. So it's also good. It also helps to reduce signs of aging, like wrinkles, and it suits inflammation and sunburn on the skin. So this is really good. You can do this every day in a week, but you have to consult with your doctor first if you have underlying medical conditions. Ice water also helps to make your skin glow, your face to glow. How it does its work is, when you dip your face in ice water, your blood capillaries are restricted. So what it does is it sends signals to the brain that you're out of blood, and then your body starts to pump blood into the face. And once blood starts to pump into the face, it increases circulation of blood in the face. So already subscribe to my channel and you find this video useful, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.